When you take a nature walk, what do you think of? Hello, I'm Margaret. Join me for a walk surrounded by green, by trees, and by a slow-moving creek. Nature walks inspire me to give thanks for Earth's beauty and for those who protect it. Here are a few quotes about nature by writers who relish it. Most of the time, I am sunk in thought, but at some point on each walk, there comes a moment when I look up and notice, with a kind of first-time astonishment, the amazing complex delicacy of the woods, the casual ease with which elemental things come together to form a composition that is, whatever the season, wherever I put my besotted gaze, perfect. That's from A Walk in the Woods by Bill Bryson. I should be glad if all the meadows on earth were left in a wild state, if that were the consequence of men's beginning to redeem themselves. That's from the iconic book Walden by Henry David Thoreau. What if resting, all by itself, is the real act of holiness? What if honoring the gift of our only life in this gorgeous world means taking time every week to slow down, to sleep, to breathe? The natural world has never needed us more than it needs us now. But we can't be of much use to it if we remain in a perpetual state of exhaustion and despair. That's from the book The Comfort of Crows by Margaret Rankle. He was alone and running on. He could see. He was running, and under his breath he began to sing. He had only the words of a song, and when he went running on, the rise of the song. That's from Housemaid of Dawn by N. Scott Momaday. An immaculate garden is a hostile place to most wildlife. Beautifully weeded borders, with every fallen leaf and twig gathered and disposed of. Hedges kept constantly crisp and grass mown to within an inch of its life may make a certain sort of gardener glow with pride, but it will provide little comfort to most of our birds, mammals, and insects. That's from Down to Earth Gardening Wisdom by Monty Don. Do you have a favorite nature quotation? Please tell me about it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and a comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. I hope you enjoy your day. Goodbye.